In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI as a language learning tool. First, open your web browser and go to Perplexity AI. You can do this on a computer or your phone, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once the site loads, you'll see a search or chat box where you can type your question. That's where we'll do all the work for this lesson. Here's the key to making this really effective. Start your message with the phrase, "using language learning tool." This tells Perplexity exactly how to guide its response. Right after that, add what you want to learn, like this. Using language learning tool, how do you say hello in Spanish? Then hit enter. Perplexity will respond with the translation, and often you'll get pronunciation help and simple examples so you can use the phrase correctly. You can swap in any language or phrase you want. For example, you might ask for greetings in Japanese or how to order coffee in French. If you need more detail, include a bit of context in your message. You could write, using language learning tool, how do I politely say, where is the train station in German? Adding words like politely, casually, or for business helps tailor the answer to real-life situations. If the first response isn't exactly what you need, just keep the conversation going in the same chat. Ask for a slower phonetic spelling, a couple of example sentences, or a quick comparison between formal and informal versions. You can also ask for common mistakes to avoid or regional variations if you're learning a language spoken in multiple countries. All of this works without changing the basic approach. Just start with using language learning tool, then describe what you want to learn. Remember to review the answer out loud. Speaking helps lock in pronunciation and rhythm. If you're unsure how something sounds, ask Perplexity to provide a clearer phonetic guide or a short audio reference if available, or request a breakdown syllable by syllable. You can also ask for a mini quiz. Using language learning tool, quiz me with 3 sentences using this phrase. This is a great way to practice without leaving the chat. And that's it. Go to Perplexity AI, begin your prompt with using language learning tool, ask exactly what you want to say in your target language, and you're done. Keep refining your messages to match your goals, and you'll turn quick questions into practical, everyday language skills in just a few minutes.